So BBC South is the nations and regions part of the BBC, which serves a large area of the south of England in television, radio and online platforms for BBC News mainly and current affairs. We have 120 staff approximately here in Southampton and another 130 spread across the region in Oxford and Dorset. So we have found that whilst quite a few of our staff already travel to work by bike or cycle in, some of them because they live locally, a lot of our staff are spread across a large rural area of Hampshire and Dorset and Wiltshire in some cases, and find that public transport doesn't serve them that well in order to get into work. On top of this, there is a disincentive in that we have free parking for them here in our central broadcasting house in Southampton. The cost of the public transport was also mentioned in some of our staff survey as to why people wouldn't necessarily take that in. So we went fully on board with Clean Air Day in Southampton the other day and offered our staff a free reusable BBC South branded travel mug if they came into work in anything other than a solo operated vehicle. So this resulted in lots of funny pictures of friends car sharing who hadn't before, coming in on a lovely bus route through the New Forest that they hadn't taken before, and I hope very much that it has encouraged some of the staff to travel to work in a more sustainable way. On top of this, we are working with Southampton City Council in order to use some access funding to install electrical charging points here in our car park at Broadcasting House. We have seen an increase in the amount of debate over this issue and how we cut carbon emissions as an organisation in general. So that's a great thing. I'll yet to see whether we have more car sharing, but all of these things hopefully are leading to a better situation for us in terms of sustainable travel.